Всем привет! Вы на моем канале, меня зовут Ирина. Подписывайтесь и жмите на колокольчик, чтобы не пропустить новое видео. Сегодня у меня эксклюзив – работа с возрастными сложными ногами. Хочу, чтобы эта дама немножко отдохнула, почувствовала легкость в ногах и еще некоторое время полюбовалась ноготочками и гладкостью стоп. Будет интересно, поехали! Изначально не планировала снимать видео, поэтому вы видите стопы и пальчики уже после мацерации. Замачивала на 10 минут в теплой воде. Нанесла Callus Remover от торговой марки My Nails и замотала пищевой пленкой. На пальчиках очень много огрубевшей кожи, подногтевые мозоли и мозоль на большом пальце, сквозь которую уже проросли кровеносные сосуды. Пушером очищаю ногтевую пластину от птеригия, отодвигаю кутикулу. Максимально убираю длину. Некоторые ноготочки с утолщением. В торце видно, что под ногтем мягкая ткань. Именно она дает утолщение. Поэтому я не снимала фрезером толщину ногтя. Теперь нокожницами срезаю кутикулу, мозольки сбоку и на топтыши.
Keep on thinking back on it, when we escaped with our first real paycheck. Wasn't much, but we needed less, yeah, than we do now. We were driving along the coast, I felt the ocean breeze on my face. Wanted to go as far as we ever could. So many years have passed, but even though we were broke as hell, I wouldn't change anything. I wouldn't change anything. If I throw a coin down a wishing well, I wish I could feel it again, the way that I felt for you then. I know you think of it too. They got on down and we ended up sleeping at the worst motel somewhere. We had rashes for days, do you remember that? In spite of everything that we lacked, nothing compares to the freedom we had. I would do it again if you say the word. So many years have passed, but even though we were broke
На большом пальчике срезаю мозоль. Из-за деформации пальцев указательный перекрывает большой и давит. Поэтому на большом в точке соприкосновения образовалась мозоль.
No, I wouldn't change anything. I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb, a tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. We jumped off the subway leading nowhere. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold around me. I heard you say that everything is alright, but how did you know how I felt? You saw right through me that day. I was lost in space, but you pulled me down and wiped away those cloudy thoughts. I could see the sky when you were close to me. I can't believe what you brought. You took it, took away my love.
Стопу обрабатываю диском размера М с абразивом на 100 грит.
I will always remember it. How you turned everything around. I will always remember it. How you got me off the battleground. How you got me off the battleground. Yeah. You took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted.
Далее шлифую стопу абразивом на 180 грит. Для шлифовки пальчиков использую маленький диск. Так как я там много нарезала накожницами, теперь хочу все хорошо зашлифовать. Ну и как же без любимого полировщика? Прохожусь по всей стопе и пальчиком. Смываю пыль и остатки ремувера с помощью скраба.
We escaped with our first real paycheck. Wasn't much, but we needed less. Yeah, than we do now. We were driving along the coast. I felt the ocean breeze on my face. Wanted to go as far as we ever could.
Ногти буду покрывать обычным лаком.
But even though we were broke as hell, I wouldn't change anything. I wouldn't change anything. If I throw a coin down a wishing well, I wish I could feel it again, the way that I felt for you then. I know you think of it too.
И теперь давайте вместе посмотрим на состояние ног до и после. Очень хочется, чтобы наши дамы под 70-80 почаще могли себе позволить педикюр и маникюр. Если вам понравился сюжет или есть вопросы, пишите в комментариях, мне будет приятно. С меня по традиции видео, а с вас подписка, звоночек и лайк. Всем желаю хорошего дня, пока-пока!
So many years have passed, but